Friends, welcome to my channel, the Programming and Maths Knowledge में. Friends, our second lecture is on LCM and HCF. How to take LCM and HCF? First of all, LCM. LCM. LCM stands for least common multiplication. LCM stands for least common multiplications. And HCF stands for highest common factors. LCM is equal to product of common and non-common factors, and HCF is equal to the product of common factors only. Friends, listen. LCM is equal to product of common and non-common factors, and HCF is equal to the product of only common factors. Now let's see. So friends, let's start. How to take LCM of given numbers. How to find LCM of the given numbers. Friends, suppose we have numbers. Suppose we have two numbers, 4 and 12. For LCM, we have to find the factors of the given numbers. So the factors of 12 and 4. The factors of 4, 2, 2 and 1. The factors of 12, 2, 2, 3 and 1. So the factors of 4 is equal to 2 multiple 2 multiple 3. If we multiply these numbers, the result will be equal to 4. This is called the factors. The factors are 12. If we multiply these 4 numbers, the result will be equal to 12. The factors of 4 is 2 multiple 2 multiple 1, and the factors of 12 is 2 multiple 2 multiple 3 and 1 multiple. So these two is the same. This is common factors. This is the same. This is also called common factors. This one is the same. This is also called the common factor. This 3 is not same because 3 is not on the upper factors. So this is called non-common factors. This is called common factors. This is also called common factors. This is also called common factors. Common means the same factors. 2 is also a factor of 4 and 2 is also a factor of 12. So this is called common factors. 3 is factors of 12 but 3 is not factor of 4. So this is not a common factors. So the LCM is equal to the product of common and non-common factors. Friends, the LCM is equal to the product of common and non-common factors. Product means multiplication. So the LCM is equal to, we are going to take one from the common factors. We are going to take one from the common factors, and other non-common factors we are going to take it. So we are going to take one from this and one from this and one from this one, and 3 which is non-common factors we are going to take also it. So the product the multiplication, we are going to multiply these all numbers. So that will be the LCM of the given numbers. 2 multiple 2 is 4. 4 multiple 3 is 12. 12 multiple 1 is the 12. So the LCM will be 12. If someone is going to ask you what is the LCM of the given numbers, which are given numbers the 4 and 12. So the LCM of given numbers 4 and 12 is 12. So this is how to find LCM of the given numbers. Now we are going to take HCF, or now we are going to find HCF of the given numbers. Friends, now let's how to find the HCF of the given numbers, how to take HCF of the given numbers. And we have learned that how to find LCM. Now we are going to learn how to find HCF of the given numbers. Same as in HCF, also we are going to take the factors of the given numbers. The factors of 4, 2, 2, 1, and the factors of 6, 2, 3 and 1. So the factors of given numbers is, the factors of 4 is 1 multiple 2 multiple 3, and the factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3. These is common factors, and these 2 and 3 is, these are called non-common factors. So HCF, the product of common factors only. Friends, remember HCF is equal to the product of common factors only. So the common factors 1, we are going to take 1 from these common factors, and we are going to take 2 from these common factors, because the product of common factors only. We are not take common factors, non-common factors. We are going to take only common factors and their product. So let's see HCF is equal to 2